Alright, today it's going to be the disk transport assignment. Alright, so I've already got them opened up. Here's my coding and here's my assignment. Okay, so disk transporter challenge, as you can see underneath the playground, is disk transport. Okay, and it'll have all these different things in there. Level 1, you're picking up the disks and dropping them in any colored goal. Number 2, you're picking up the colored discs and putting them in the corresponding goal. So green with green, red with red, blue with blue. Okay, so then down below it's got how it talks about how the magnet command works. If you want to pick it up, you use boost. If you want to drop it, you obviously click drop. So coming in here, first thing, we're going to go to playground, make sure disk transport is selected. Okay. As you can see, there are blue, red, and green discs scattered throughout. Blue, red, green goals as well. And you are starting within the red one. Okay, so for the first one, you're just going to come up and just pick up a random one, drop it. Okay, pick up, drop it, pick up, come back, drop them in 3 of the goals. Okay, so how you're going to do that? Obviously, you're going to have to go forward. Looks like it's going to be about 700. I'm going to want to turn right and go forward again. Probably about, let's try 300 since it's in the middle of that square. We're going to try and get this one first. So then I'm going to come down under magnet. Click that where it says energize magnet to boost. Okay, and then I'm just going to pretty much reverse this whole thing. So I can duplicate that box, that block, go reverse 300. It would be, yep, turn right 90 still, reverse 700, and then I want to change this to drop. Okay, so we're going to hit play, see what happens. I'm going forward, I'm going to turn, and drive over the disc. I boosted it. So obviously I went back, so what I need to do is change this to go forward, and then it'll do it. Okay, forward, over, drive over the disc, make sure the energize is there, and then it drops it. So then I would want to drive reverse, let's just say 700 again, just to show that the block is, or the disc is there. So forward, pick it up, go drop it off, and as you can see, I'm back up and the disc is left there. Okay, so that's what you're going to do with each one of these. You're going to, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 discs. So try to put 4 in each goal. Doesn't matter which colors. Okay, so that would be disk transport level 1. Okay. And then for level 2, you're doing pretty much the same thing, but you're going to return the discs to the proper color. Okay, so like I said, blue, blue, red, red, green, green. Okay, so that's going to be your disk level 1 and 2 assignment.